खैर छबीली नखरे वाली, सबकी दिलारी सबसे सियानी, 25वीं सालगिरह मुबारक हो प्यारे दीदी और जीजू को। क्या शादी का वो दिन याद है जब किया हमने धमाल था, पापड़ और केचप से मचाया हमने बवाल था।
2 घंटे लगे थे क्लीन करने।
इंतजार की हद हुई, बुलेट ट्रेन पकड़नी थी, बस 9 महीने में खुशियों की बौछार हुई।
9 महीने में
में लगते हैं प्यारे, ऋतु हमारी शक्तिशाली, गौतम का कर दिया भीजा खाली। नहीं देती है हमको सीख निराली।
आपको 50th का इंतजार है, हम सबका आपको प्यार है।
Wishing you a very happy 25th anniversary.
ब्रदर की
So here I am wishing you a very happy anniversary. May you both live long and look after each other like you always do. Best wishes for your super silver happy anniversary.
I still can't believe it's been 25 years. हम लोग it feels like yesterday. इतनी पुरानी बात तो लग ही नहीं रही है. 25 years, yeah. This is amazing. But we have so many memories of your wedding, pehli wedding थी of our family, and we had so much fun.
My favorite.
बहुत ही अच्छी memories हैं आपकी wedding की.
पोर्शे वाले भैया हैं.
So good, so enjoyable. I want to wish you all the very best for the next 25, and hope to see you very very soon here.
Happy 25th anniversary Ritu Didi and Jiju. After 25 years of marriage makes me feel very young. Makes me feel ki, oh my god, it seems like it was a start of this wedding adventure because it was your first and then moved on, sabki weddings. It's just such wonderful time and memories. Wish you guys a very very happy anniversary again and many more to come.
First weddings are always
It
nice.
has really been amazing to watch both of you in the journey of love, commitment and efforts to make it so beautiful through every thick and thin. I just wish and pray all the moments of joy be greater in the years ahead. Heartiest congratulations on this milestone. Thank you and love you loads, Priyanka and Namita.
सानिया का एक इंसिडेंट बताती हूँ. एक इंसिडेंट बताती हूँ.
नहीं
अच्छा मैं बोलूँ. So Sadia was only 3, 4, 5 years old and she's 30, 32 years, 35 years की होगी. So she used to speak very fast and she used to speak very fluent English. So one day she just came from the school and everyone was sitting and she just, I've got mud puddle on my face and nobody, she said mud puddle in such a way that किसी को समझ नहीं आया ये बोल क्या रही है. कीचड़, mud puddle was not a very heard of word. She said I've got mud puddle and she was only about 4 years. I've got mud puddle and I didn't know what to do. Then that car came and they just smashed over it and this whatever and she just finished and went away. किसी को समझ नहीं आया वो क्या बोल के गई और वो क्या बोलती थी. इतनी स्पीड पे वो इंग्लिश बोलती थी. So that's the memory I still have of her.
and काफी sharp थी. She was 6 कितनी जब
छोटी सी थी.
she explained to me the whole incident of the Noor murder case हुआ ना.
अच्छा that वो
मुझे नहीं इतनी knowledge थी. अब पता था क्या story है उसको सब पता.
Extremely sharp and well learned. कौन है बताओ?
ये तो case ही लग रही है.
सोचना क्या जो भी होगा
Hi Ritu Didi and Gautam Ji. It's been 25 years and what a beautiful 25 years it's been. I can't believe it's been 25 years, but what a beautiful love story you guys have had. You've been an inspiration to me in ways I can't even begin to express. I love you and I bless you always.
Speed बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Hi Ritu Didi and Gautam Ji. It's been 25 years and what a beautiful 25 years.
मेरा
You've been an inspiration to me in ways I can't even begin to
No,
express.
full stop.
I love you and I bless you always. Hi, Ritu baby, and
She said it 3 times. Oh, you're repeating it now.
and loving daughters.
219,000 hours together.
13 million minutes.
Sweet memories to remember.
Many blessings to count.
Wish you both a very happy 25th anniversary.
Cute, no?
13 million.
Want to go to Gotham. Looking forward for a beautiful day.
God bless you.
Looking forward for your silver day. Happy anniversary in 1 month advance.
Anniversary. So I just wanted to tell you that you guys rock together. Ritu, you've been always the support system for Gotham. And as far as Gotham goes, if you guys are just guessing who this voice belongs to, then I will just give you a small clue. Gotham's few names in the past: Mantu, Mania, and Garden. Okay, bye. Love you guys. Take care and have a blessed anniversary. And looking forward to your golden jubilee.
Garden तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
सिंधे में बोल रहे थे ना जब अल्फाबेट G निकला और वो अभी तक गार्डन हुआ.
Still was in garden. Garden. So I was like, I thought कोई joke हो रहा है. Okay. Nice.
It seems like just a few days ago how Jiju came to our house to see you for the first time when Pranav was hiding under the table, and how everything just fell into place just within few hours of both of you meeting each other for the first time. Since then, you both have been totally inspiring me to make me understand that there will always be highs and lows in a married life. But standing strong together through all these thick and things is what makes this bond stronger. It's so nice to see how you both share responsibilities and divide work. Like how Jiju finds his happiness in giving you happiness. Like taking you to the malls, and how he loves to sit outside the trial rooms and do all your trials. It's so cute. It's always a proud feeling to see you, Ritu, stand besides Jiju during his lows of life. You both have eventually been blessed to have each other as partners, with Jiju being the patient one and Ritu being the strong one. And who would know better than both of you that how important are these virtues together for a successful life? With your wedding started the wedding fun of our generation, and now that all the weddings are over for our generation, let's start the fun for all the silver anniversary with yours again.
You two prove that even if life is not perfect like a movie, having a learning partner makes every trouble worthy. Congratulations for a month to go for your 25th anniversary.
Cheers, dearest Ritu and Monty, aka GD.
May you both shine brightly together than ever before, dearest Ritu Masli Gautam Masal.
Lots of
Love
love
and wishes from
from
all
all
of
of
us
us
here.